Two of Diamonds, pip patterns. It's all about partnership, synergy, balance. It's about forging partnerships that bring forth true value in the world. So, what do you truly value? It could be material, physical, financial, or even spiritual. So, it's bringing forth what you really, really value in a partnership together. You want to watch out for merging with the other person, taking one for the team, compromising your own integrity. So make sure that you create really clear and healthy boundaries within your partnerships, and really be also true to yourself and what you're valuing. So bringing partnerships, synergy, connection, and teamwork, partnership and teamwork. And the mantra for today is I create healthy, interdependent relationships. I create healthy, interdependent relationships. All right. Enjoy the energy of partnership and connection today.